Smoked sausage on a grill is one of my favorites in the summer, but how do you score your sausage? This is the way I do mine. A nice slice across, kind of a diagonal, and then I flip the sausage and do it again. Now my hand is a little bit in the way here, so let me show you a couple more times. I will speed it up, but really you're just kind of making a diagonal X on it, and the deeper you do the scoring, the more it's going to open up on the grill, so I go maybe a third of the way. Once my grill is nice and hot, I like putting the sausages downward where I've done the scoring first, so that when you start flipping them on the barbecue, you get this beautiful and impressive result. I don't know why I like this so much, and I just wanted to share it with you. Now, how do you top your sausages? I'm going with some delicious fried onions and some good old yellow mustard. I hope you're having a great summer so far, and you do some fun scoring on your next sausage cook.